Hello, my name is Russell Vogel, and today we're going to be looking at my 24 by 30 foot barn with 2 bay doors. So we decided on the 24 by 30 foot building as it's big enough to store both a tractor and a vehicle as well as some additional supplies. So I'll be using this barn to store farming equipment and hunting gear. I live a couple hours away from the property in Houston, and this will be a nice place to store my stuff. So I would definitely recommend Allen's Factory Outlet for anybody building a building on their property or similar construction.